Here's a quick video on how to replace the battery in your Volkswagen Beetle key fob. You're going to need one of the 2032 batteries. You can get these off Amazon. I've put a link below in the description that will take you straight there. And you're also going to need a flat tip screwdriver. And really the thinner this is, the better. So you can see these two halves here are separated by this line. You want to put your screwdriver right in here and firmly press and twist so those halves separate. Go ahead and split the two halves. Now on this bottom half here, that's where the battery is stored. Put your screwdriver like this and pry the two halves apart. Now that you have this apart, go ahead and just put your screwdriver right here. Gently pry out the dead battery. Make sure you place your new battery positive side facing downward. Clip the two bottom pieces together. You can test it right here. If you got your red light, you're all set. Put the key back on and you're good to go. No need to reprogram. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.